Hello, everybody. Debra Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. And guys, I am like crazy excited to share with you a sneak peek of the April 2024 Sweet Creations Club projects. It is actually going to be using a new online exclusive called Latte Love Bundle. And actually, it's a whole collection with paper and some trim and embellishments that I cannot wait to share with you. So just wanted to share with you the projects that you'll be making as part of the club and tell you a little bit about the club and what supplies you will need. Here are the 5 projects that you will be making, and I will tell you guys, I have made so many projects with this that you will see. I either do them in my lives or I actually have an extra project kit that I'm going to be offering separately from the Sweet Creations Club. So lots of fun things coming with this suite or this whole collection. But for the Sweet Creations Club, these are the projects that I decided that we would make as part of the club kit. So it's going to be 4 cards and a treat box. So I wanted to share with you up close. This actually has a really pretty embossed background. And then we have this one, which is kind of like a little, it's a pocket card. So you can take that out, write a note to your recipient. And actually here in the front, you have another pocket if you want to put a gift card, maybe some cash, some fun little gift like that. And then we have 2 other cards. This is also embossed here on the background. I just love how that coral pops there. And then we have this card as well. Then you also too will be making a treat box. This does hold 2 K-cups here inside, or just whatever kind of treats that you want to make or include in there. If you're not a coffee drinker or a latte drinker, whatever, no worries. You can consider it could be tea, it could be hot chocolate, but you probably at least know coffee drinkers. And so this is a really fun project kit to get. Now, if you're not familiar with my Sweet Creations Club, it is a monthly subscription project kit that it costs $43 shipped. Or if you're here locally, it's $37 to join us in person or to pick it up. And that includes $20 in consumable Stampin' Up products, includes the PDF tutorial, as well as if you need it shipped, it includes first class shipping with tracking. Now, there are some supplies that you will need. So some of the items that you'll need will include of course, the bundle, which is the Latte Love Bundle. Really fun set of dies and stamps. And you will also you will need early espresso ink pad. I cannot believe it. I actually got it down to 1 ink pad. Can you believe it? So, or some kind of dark brown ink pad that you have. Also you'll want to have some Stampin' Dimensionals, liquid glue or your favorite tape glue, and some mini glue dots. All right, guys. So I am really, really looking forward to sharing with you so many of these really fun projects over the course of March, and then sending it to you in April with the Sweet Creations Club Kit. Now, the registration for let me go ahead and switch my camera here. The registration for the April 2024 Latte Love project kit runs from now until April 5th, 2024. At the time, I will order all the supplies, prep them, and get them out into the mail for you or have them ready for you to pick up by, let's see, April 15th, tax day. So anyway, guys, I'm really looking forward to sending you this really fun happy mail. Please, please, please reach out if you have any questions. Take care. Bye, guys.